Are you in the market for new bike baskets, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike baskets on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Retrospect Detachable Steel Half Mesh Apollo Bike Basket. Are you tired of carrying a backpack while cycling? Say hello to the Retrospect Detachable Steel Half Mesh Apollo Bike Basket. This fantastic accessory is perfect for any bicycle enthusiast looking for a convenient way to carry their belongings while cycling. The removable handles make it easy to carry the basket off the bike when needed, making it an excellent option for running errands or grocery shopping. The half-mesh bottom of the basket is perfect for carrying smaller objects, ensuring they stay securely in place during transit. Installation is a breeze, and you won't need any tools to set it up. Simply attach it to your bicycle using the provided mounting hardware, and you're good to go. The basket's design ensures that it won't affect your balance while cycling, keeping you safe throughout your ride. Measuring 9.5 in height, 10.5 in width, and 14 in length, this bike basket is spacious enough to hold your essentials without being bulky. So, if you are looking for a stylish, functional, and durable bicycle basket, the Retrospect Detachable Steel Half Mesh Apollo Bike Basket is an excellent investment. Get yours today, and enjoy a hassle-free cycling experience. Number 2. Belto 510 Front Basket. As a cycling enthusiast, you need a convenient and practical accessory to carry your belongings while you ride. The Belto 510 Front Basket is the perfect solution. With a large storage capacity and a folding carrying handle, this basket can hold up to 15 pounds of weight and can be easily transported off the bike. Constructed from welded metal, this basket is durable and weather-resistant, making it perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides in different weather conditions. Its easy on-off bike design allows for quick and hassle-free installation, and a one-time assembly ensures that it is always ready for use. This mid-weight basket is suitable for most bikes, and requires a minimum clearance of 28 centimeters from the top of the handlebar to the top of the fender tire for optimal fit. Whether you're running errands, grocery shopping, or commuting to work, the Belto 510 Front Basket is an excellent option for carrying your belongings. Overall, we love the large storage capacity, durable construction, and easy on-off bike design of this basket. It is a practical and convenient addition to any cycling routine, and is sure to make your rides more enjoyable. Number 3. Ramus Rear Bike Basket with Waterproof Cover. Are you tired of struggling to carry your belongings on your bike? Meet the Universal Bike Rear Basket. Made of diamond-shaped metal wire, it can fit almost all bike rear racks, making it a versatile and reliable option for any cyclist. One of the best features of this basket is the waterproof cover that keeps your belongings dry during rainy weather and prevents them from blowing away. Plus, it comes with a bike light to increase visibility and safety while riding at night. With a capacity of 18 liters and a bearing capacity of up to 45 pounds, this basket can carry a variety of items, including children's backpacks, groceries, or even a small pet. The basket is easy to install with 2 installation methods, making it a practical addition to any cyclist's gear. Overall, this Universal Bike Rear Basket is an excellent investment for anyone who frequently uses their bike for commuting or errands. Its sturdy construction, ample capacity, and easy installation make it a versatile and reliable option for any cyclist. Number 4. Granny Says Detachable Bike Basket. Introducing the ultimate multi-purpose bike basket that's perfect for all your outdoor activities. This basket offers ample storage space, and is made from waterproof and weather-resistant wicker material, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry. It also comes with 2 adjustable leather straps and double handles for easy carrying. Whether you need a bike basket, gift basket, picnic basket, shopping basket, outdoor container, or a pet carrier for your furry friend, this basket has got you covered. Overall, this bike basket is a practical and stylish option for anyone who wants a multi-purpose basket. So why settle for just one use when you can have it all with this versatile bike basket? Number 5. Anzum Kids Bike Basket. Are you tired of your child's boring and unreliable bike basket? Introducing the Anzum Kids Bike Basket, the high-quality and waterproof metal wire basket that is suitable for most children's bicycles and tricycles. With its durable and rust-resistant design, the Anzum Kids Bike Basket is built to last. And its easy to install and disassemble feature makes it hassle-free to use. The retro-style design and portable handle make it a convenient and decorative storage option for children. Its small and medium-sized capacity meets daily storage needs. However, remember to avoid placing items with temperatures over 80 degrees Fahrenheit directly in the basket. Overall, the Anzum Kids Bike Basket is a reliable and functional option for kids' bikes. Get yours today. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.